Your active lifestyle. If you want to know the truth, please listen to this. My name is Fatima from classicalhealing.com. When you are feeling stressed out, exercising is probably the last thing on your mind. However, having a lifestyle which is active and participating in some sort of exercise regularly can actually help you to feel calmer and less stressed. Cardiovascular exercise has been proven to have a wide range of health benefits besides weight loss and increased fitness, and has been shown in studies to actually reduce the symptoms of depression. Because of this, taking part in regular exercise should be an important part of your lifestyle when it comes to dealing with your stress. Best stress-busting exercises. If you have ever been stressed out and went outside for a while to walk it off, you have probably found that this approach actually works. Exercise, no matter how gentle, can often be the best thing for stress and anxiety. Walking has been proven to have a number of huge physical and mental health benefits. So if you are not used to exercising a lot or don't want to join your local gym, there is nothing to worry about, as simply going for a walk could be enough to help you feel better and clear your head. If you have had a stressful day or something is really getting to you, getting out for a walk can be the best, quick-acting antidepressant. This is especially true if it's a nice day and you are getting some sunshine as well, as vitamin D is absolutely crucial for mental health. Simply heading for a walk up the road or setting off to your local park to wander around for a while can help to take your mind off whatever is stressing you out, allow you to clear your head, and put things into perspective, all of which can help you to manage your stress and deal with your stressors in a calm, collected manner. This is because walking, which is a simple exercise that most of us can easily do, releases endorphins, which create feelings of increased happiness and euphoria. So, if you are feeling like stress is taking over, hitting the pavements for 10 minutes or taking your dog for a walk can be a quick solution. Your regular routine. Whilst exercise can create a great quick fix for those who are feeling anxious and stressed out, sticking to a regular exercise routine can actually help to improve symptoms in the long run. Doctors recommend that people who are suffering from chronic stress, depression, or anxiety to make sure that they get plenty of time in the gym. But don't worry if you can't or don't want to join a gym or fitness center, as there are plenty of exercises which you can do from the comfort of your own home. For the best physical and mental results, you should mix a range of cardiovascular and weight training exercises. This could include walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming, for example, along with exercises such as push-ups, squats, lunges, sit-ups, crunches, and stretches. Combining these two types of exercises will not only improve your mental health by releasing feel-good chemicals to your brain, you will also reap the benefits of a body which is stronger and healthier.